Hello guys, welcome to my blog channel, and this day we will talk about some of the technology trending in this modern world. One of them is virtual reality, or known as VR. So we have a four main agenda in this blog. First is the meaning of virtual reality. Second is the advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality. Third is importance of virtual reality, and lastly, what are the application or example using virtual reality. So let's start. So what is VR, or known as virtual reality? So virtual reality uses a computer modeling and simulation to enable humans to interact with an artificial three-dimensional visual, or known as 3D, or other sensory environment. In a typical VR format, a user wearing a helmet with a stereoscopic screen displays animated images of a simulated environment. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of virtual reality? So let's start with the advantages. It creates a realistic world. So virtual reality creates a imaginary world for users based on what they learn or entertain. The virtual reality created is fictitious but appears to the users as if it were the real world. Second is the minimal risk. A virtual reality is a fictional world created by the developers to allow people to explore or experience different realities. Therefore, there is a little risk of learning the knowledge gained in books. And lastly, to help deliver training. Many unqualified people in various job areas can be trained in a virtual environment. For example, engineering requires practical knowledge, so virtual reality technology can be used to apply that knowledge. Next are the disadvantages. First is addiction. Some people are addicted to VR experience in games and social media application. People can assume different identities, which can be addictive and cause social, psychological, and biological problems. Second is human health. It can cause cognitive loss, nausea, dizziness, disorientation, and many more. Lastly, in psychiatric harm. People are advised not to use virtual reality for longer periods of time, as people's addiction to virtual reality also causes mental disorders. So what are the importance of virtual reality? So businesses are becoming more aware of the value of virtual reality. The technology is being embraced by industrial verticals to create fresh marketing and communication plans. So different companies can take a chance and imitate actual presence in both the real and made-up worlds. And lastly, what are the application or examples of virtual reality? First is healthcare. Medical professionals can use virtual reality to prepare for work in the operating room, whether as an intern explaining a diagnosis and treatment plan, or as an orthopedic surgeon performing surgery. Second is architecture. Virtual reality allows the architects to make changes in real time to ensure customer satisfaction, rather than just imagine what is going to happen. And lastly, the entertainment. Virtual reality is becoming more widely available at theme parks and online and console games, simulating movie adventures and letting users experience their favorite motion pictures. The entertainment sector was one of the early adopters of virtual reality and is still doing so today. Video games are also becoming more prevalent in the video game industry. So, I hope you learned about some information of virtual reality. So, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to 1,000 likes. Yeah! So, that's all. See you guys later.